most of the cars in that dealership were consigned, which means they're owned by people, rich people, extremely rich people. And I'm sure they don't want me driving their $1.3 million Lamborghini SVJ, or their Ferrari F8s, or their 458s, or their 488s. Anyways, I'm sure they just don't want me to drive that. So, but the cool thing is, one of the guys actually told me about their second place, that they have a bunch of cool exotic cars. That's where we're going now. Oh my God, check this place out. Man, this second place they were talking about was absolutely insane. Look at all of this. I'm sorry I'm not talking that much. That's because they got copyrighted music playing. But this is insane. And they just told me that they got another warehouse full of cars that we're going to. Holy crap. Rolls Royce. Wow. This car club is insane. Every single one of those garages have something cool in it. And of course it's privately owned, so I'm not gonna bother them. But I see a little C8 there popping through. But I'm sure there's even more stuff that's even more awesome. You know, they are serious about their exotics when they got a Porsche rim for a hose reel. Insane, but cool. If you guys ever get a chance to visit Carolina Exotic Car Club, you guys just have to. I don't know what to say, man. It's just jaw-dropping. I mean, insane. So make sure you guys, if you're in the Raleigh, North Carolina area, check this place out because it's just bonkers crazy. It's nuts. Let's get back into C8 and go home. And